Inspector General Jaka BSF Meghalaya Upadhyay ha ka shtarek jomang lethu ba ki shipai BSF kila Pynkhlaiñ Bor Pahara ha baro shi lynter jong khappud bat kari Bangladesh ha bakran shila patai ka bor uniu he shipai lethu ba ki Bor Pahara ha khappud la Pynkhlaiñ lingba ka jengetrai lang bat ki shnong ki thau bat ki bor pulet ka jela ulethu ru bana ka bor ki he ka BSF ki ji khandu bat ki shipai yada khappud jong kari Bangladesh banyakran Henry ka jing ka ba kia kendu ka day ki benta ki ba empat kia saina ha ka ba ka dan ka jingrung tu syakari nakaliang ki Bor Pahara kinsa syong perkhan banyakran halor kan he uniu he shipai ule thuru manakaliang jong ki labu daki kor ringdur ban sok bat lapru yaki pawan rung tu syakari.
Roughly, if I can say, around 42 kilometers of border in Meghalaya is unfenced. And primarily it is because of the non-availability of the land. We are working in close coordination with the state government and the officers of the state government and the Honorable CM, they are also concerned about this issue and they are proactively working on that. And I am hopeful that the impediments in this regard will be very soon removed. The respective deputy commissioners of the concerned districts, they are also working on this issue and they are trying to persuade the villagers, those who are land is going to be affected, and they have got this some concern that after coming of the fencing, the land ahead of the fence will not be available to them. So my approach is that we are ready to help all the border populations, people of the border areas, in whatever sense they will require our assistance, be it in the form of security and patrols, be it in the form of the gates in the fencing. We are ready for that. So from our side, there is no problem. But I also appeal through media to the people of the bordering district that they should cooperate and willingly hand over the lands to the constructing agencies, so that this is a project of the national importance. It has a bearing on the national security, and as soon as we get the area fenced, this will be better for the security of the state, the security of the nation, as well as the security of the border population. So this is the thing, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to remove the impediments.
After you had your meeting with Chief Minister Conrad Sangma here in the Secretariat, what are the new initiative BSF has taken? Particularly, a lot of things were said about the border areas, vigilance and all. What are the initiatives BSF has taken?
As you all aware that the border security force is always remain alert 24/7. And we are having this specialization in night dominance. So we have further strengthened our night dominance capabilities, the surveillance capabilities, and deployment of some additional manpower. We have reviewed over the existing deployment, the existing security measures, and we have taken adequate security measures, including deployment of additional manpower as well as additional surveillance equipment. Apart from that, we have raised our level of coordination with the state police and other agencies. And we have also interacted with the local population, local NOKMAs and the acclaimed civilian authorities, and we are getting full support of them.
Sir,
As of now, there is no such proposal in hand. But in case of any requirement, so certainly we will not be wanting in this aspect, and we will be getting some additional forces also.
and how do you see present border?
Things are at the moment are under very much under control. We have got excellent coordination with the state and other sister agencies, and we are quite vigilant. And the best part is that we are getting full support of the border populations. Our civilian brethrens in border areas, they are quite vigilant and they are supporting us.
Well.